Welcome back. Let's start with Module 1, Azure Security. I think, Sakshi, you have to say, you have something to say about security.
Hi, Smita. As we have known, this security thing has been an essential part of our daily life as well as our organization. As I do have my on-premises servers and I do have work on Azure security, and I think I have the most secured system with me as providing all the security features, and everything seems so secure to me. But still, somehow, I feel there is something that needs to be more secured.
Hmm. Actually, this is a very common case with everyone. Everybody thinks that their system is secured completely, but they lack somewhere in between. So let's find out. Now, let's take an example when you want to secure your own house. Okay, so you will be, you have multiple locks on your door. You may install video calling doorbells, CCTV cameras, and if needed, you may even hire security guards. But in the case of organization, when you think you will need all these things like CCTV camera and guards and all, but to secure the network, your database, your servers, you need to plan something. Now, before planning, you need to think like a defender. So you will think that you need to secure the database of your organization, your network, your services, the servers that you use. But now let's think like an hacker. He would not think like a defender. Like he will, in the beginning, actually, they don't even care about the resources. They try to analyze the graph or the setup of the organization. To understand this, come, let's take an scenario. Now, this is an organization where you have different departments where people are working. And let's take like the hacker wants his target is to hack the database at IT center. So he knows that the network is protected, the servers are protected. He will not directly attack the server of IT sector. So now he's fine. He tries to see that if there is a loophole or there's a vulnerability that he could breach into. So now when he has analyzed the whole setup of the organization, he finds that the person at the help desk has many entries going on. And at the person at the help desk may not be technically sounded. So he makes a plan to send a mail which contains a malware. Now, when the person at the help desk, he doesn't know what the mail is. So he opens the mail, the malware gets automatically downloaded on the system. So now something goes wrong on the system, and because the person is not technically sounded, he will take help from the IT sector. Now, when the person from the IT sector comes and logins to the computer on the help desk, he is sharing his own credentials, and these credentials are captured by the hacker, the attacker. And then what he does is these username, passwords, or the keys that the security key, he tries and logins to the IT sector's server and he encrypts the file or the data and asks for lump sum. Now, to avoid the situation, what should a defender do? Now, let's see in the next module.